But to your question, how do you kind of solve the problem? I would say the thing that's kind of interesting is when we first started this company, we kind of positioned it as we're going to try to make people like Amazon. It had flaws in it, but it was an interesting kind of North Star to start with. I think what became apparent as we started going to market and selling to folks is it was less about trying to recreate Amazon's business model and other people's companies.
Yeah.
It was more about the approach.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, we started as almost retail e-commerce. It was very oriented towards that. And I think over the years, it's like we've been pulled more and more to logistics service providers or third-party logistics providers filling on behalf of customers. And they have a different set of needs and different things. On the other side, we're also getting more and more into what I would just call the B2B space loosely, which is everything from pharma to medical devices to parts distribution. My hypothesis in that space is you're watching the same patterns that emerged with Amazon, where you went from large amounts of distribution in batch to fine grain, real time, just in time, single piece flow network is where these companies are going. But the business model they're working against is different than Amazon.